Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog, and if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to get updated from a new video.
Before I let you go, can I get a kiss goodnight, baby? Before I let you go, can I get a kiss good?
So, I hope before you watch this vlog is na watch niyo na yung trip in Korea na vlog ko before you watch this one para hindi kayo ma-spoil. And right now, as you can see from the title, I'm going to have a Korean haul or what I bought in Korea. It's already here, nandito lahat. Yes, ang dami niya, pero hindi naman siya sobrang dami. Madami na siya tingnan na nandito siya. Kasi ang mamahal ng mga bilihin sa Korea. I didn't expect it to be that expensive, but okay lang noon. But still, I want to go back. Or let's just say, I don't want to go home that time. But we have to go home. We have work. We have family here. Soon na lang yung mag-abroad. In God's time. In God's perfect time. So, okay, so let's open this one. Here's all the pasalubong. Wait lang, I'll adjust the camera. Again, here's the pasalubong. I just hope makikita siya, diba? From this angle. So here, tada! Di ba puno siya? Pero sa lalagyan lang yan, guys. Hindi talaga yan puno. Anyway, so ito na siya. Let's first start from here. And then here, before sa inside talaga niya. So, from here, of course, when you go to different places, ang ipa-priority talaga is yung ref magnet. So, here's the ref magnet that I bought. Actually, I wanted to buy a lot of ref magnet and I went to different store, which is, I recommend na kapag nakakita kayo ng ref magnet, bilhin nyo na dahil this time, parang bilhin ko na lang kahit mahal dahil may mga napuntahan akong different places na like, when you're shop from Surak and people says, or other people na kasama ko sabi, mas lesser price daw yung Myeongdong, but when I got to Myeongdong, same lang siya ng price, like $1,000 lang yung difference, but may nasabi na doon ka sa local market bumili dahil mas lesser yung price. But nabili ko to sa local market, which is the last place na pinuntahan namin before we go to the airport, pero mas mahal to. If sa souvenir shop nasa $12,000 won siya, sa Myeongdong nasa 10,000 won siya, or let's say 8,000 yung cheapest na nakita ko na ref magnet. Doon sa Korean local market, 18,000 to. Kaya, sige na lang, dahil wala naman ako ibang mabilhan, and it's very important to have a ref magnet na pwede siyang pamigay sa gusto natin bigyan. But anyways, here's the ref magnet that I bought. Okay, here's the ref magnet. So, ito yung ref magnet na I think mas magandang bilhin kaysa sa ibang design, dahil I can say na hindi talaga maganda yung ibang design niya. Baka wala silang good designer. Charis. Baka magapay. Okay, and aside from ref magnet, of course, the keychains. Keychains. Here's the keychains. And yung pamamigyan ko dito is yung, of course, family members ko and yung mga cousins ko na deserve bigyan. Charis. So, nandito pala yung isang brother ko, which is later I'm gonna let him try the foods that I've already tried, or we will try the food that hindi pa namin na-try. Then siya lang din naman yung nandito. Yeah. Okay, so pumili ka na lang ng isa that you want for you. I'll get this one.
No, blue.
Sige, go. Blue is mine though. Sige lang, matagahang blue. Okay, so wala na. And, okay, yun yung nakuha niya. By the way, yung ref magnet is 10, while yung keychain is 9. So, yung keychain sa souvenir shop dun sa Surak is nasa 7,000 won. Then, sa Myeongdong is nasa 5,000 won to. Kaya mas cheaper sa Myeongdong. And then, pagdating ko sa local market, naging 12 to. Or let's say, naging 10 ba siya? Hindi ko na remember. Oh, 10,000 won. Kaya, bumili na lang talaga kayo sa Myeongdong kapag, if you have the chance. And, after that, I also have this seasoned seaweed. So, as you know, very famous, aside from kimchi and buldak, one of the famous food that you must buy in Korea is seaweed. And it's nice na nabili namin to siya sa may Surak, which is, I don't remember the place, but I just gonna show here the restaurant na dun din kami bumili ng food. Dahil dun mismo ginawa ito, which is, yung sinisell nila, which is ito, is sila mismo ang gumawa. Ito. So, each of this is 7,000 won. And if you buy 5, you get free one. So, nag-share lang kami. So, I got 2. And yung ika-third ko is this one. Potato and corn. So this one is the seaweed. Seasoned seaweed. And we have tried this one sa restaurant natin. Doon kami nag-dinner and nag-lunch. And ito yung nabili ko. And na-try namin siya and sobrang sarap. Maybe because doon talaga ginawa yung pure na seaweed. Kaya masarap siya. And I wanted my family to try this one. Knowing that my family loves eating this one as well. So, it's nice. Nasisisi lang ako dahil dalawa yun lang yung binili ko. But maybe marami naman to. ASMR. Yeah. Buy 5, get 1. So, yung ginawa namin, ni Ma'am Princess, dalawang ganito, then isang ganito. So, pwede same price lang naman siya. So, ito yung kinuha kong isa para matry ko. Though, na-try ko siya sa taste test. May free taste kasi sila. And, masarap siya. So, you want to try? Ah, nakausin yung likuho. Blue, no? That's mine, man.
Ito mo blue.
Okay.
Blue na tanan.
Okay, so yeah, this is, by the way, blueberry jelly. So, it tastes like blueberry and the texture niya is jelly. So, what can you say? Is it yummy? It's yummy, right? Lami siya. It's lami. And I can say na ito yung mga favorite ng mama ko. Yung mga ganitong texture, like pochi, yung gano'n. Let's try na lang.
Masa gabi bear.
Yeah, it's a gummy bear. It's a jelly man. So, let's try na lang to open. So, here's the texture, by the way. So, it's pink. Focus on it. It's pink. And, jelly texture siya yung ganito. Wait lang ha. Ganito. Pero, hindi ko talaga bet yung ganitong texture. It will stuck in my teeth and ayaw ko talaga. Pero masarap siya. Then, the next, ito muna before we go through this. By the way, puno to. Kinuha ng ate ko yung isa. Pero may marami pa naman sa ilalim. By the way, ito pala. From the hotel. Hindi ko talaga naisip takunin yung ibang hotel. By the way, we go to 3 hotels. You can see from the previous vlog. Pero yung last hotel lang yung nakunan ko ng ganito. Ang sarap pa naman ng ibang kape nila. But yeah, this one. It's a tea and a coffee. Then, the next one, which is nalanay na siya. It's Milka. So, I bought this one. I know, mabibili to siya dito sa Philippines. Pero, my student once gave me a Milka na chocolate. The first time ko siyang na-try dahil sa student ko. Then, na-try din ng parents ko. And, this is the only chocolate na halos kalahati yung nakaubos ng papa ko. Kaya, binili ko for him and for everyone to try. Pero, get 2 free 1. So, binili ko tatlo. Yung isa nasa ate ko, pinandun sa ref. Ito. And then, nandito sa ilalim yung isa. And then, I also bought this one. This is not 2 plus 1, but I bought 2 because yung available is 2 flavor. Then, I have tried the red one. Given din binigay din ng student ko nung umuwi yung papa niya, and it's very masarap. Pero, mahal din siya to buy a lot. Pero sana bumili na lang talaga ako ng marami. Pero sige na lang, baka nandito lang naman siya sa Philippines. So, ibabalik mo na po. Baka mawala. Nandito pa naman kuya ako. Ay, Janice.
Hindi naman.
So, here's the next one. So, dito, sa dito yung mga passport and documents ko. So, yeah. Here's the next one. Ito din yung reason ko bakit puno siya dahil ang daming box. So, this one is the first thing na binili ko dahil nirecommend to ng tour guide namin. So, as you can see from the previous vlog, so, kaya nga sabi ko, you must watch the first vlog before this one dahil ang daming spoiled. So, binigyan kami ng free taste, or let's say, sabi ng tour guide namin, this is a must to buy when you go to South Korea. And available to siya sa shop na pupuntahan namin after sinabi niya yun. And she let us try. Then after that, halos kami lahat na amazed and nasarapan. Saka papunta namin, binili talaga namin baka hindi kasi available sa ibang shop. Which is hindi din ako nakita ng flavor na to sa mga napuntahan namin na shop. So this one, they call this Popping Pepero. And each costs 18,000 won. And if you buy 5, you get 1 for free. So, nangyari, bumili kami ni Ma'am Gia ng 5. So, may free kami na isa. So, we get 3 each. 1 strawberry and 1 chocolate. Dahil mas na-try namin yung chocolate. Kaya sure kami na masarap. Kaya yung chocolate yung binili namin. And, I have heard na it's a must to eat this one during New Year. Dahil it pops. Kaya, binili ko na lang din siya kahit mahal siya.
Dahil pa ba?
No! Dahil I want to let them try. By the way, each box contains 20. So, I can at least leave 20, 10 from this flavor and 10 from this flavor para sa New Year. Dahil hindi pa naman siya masisira and the rest is kakainin ng family ko. Okay, try this one.
Taste test.
So, while he's opening and tasting the food, let's proceed to the next one. So, this is chocolate and this is strawberry, by the way. This is what it looks like. It's a pepero, pero mas malaki siya na type na pepero. And instead of nuts or chocolate bits, yung nandito, may mga popping bits siya na kapag kinain siya, napapop siya. Parang mali kami naman. Pag kapag kinakain mo. Pamina na Ato duol ba?
Buto nga. Kung normal na yan.
Ayun, kita pa pala na yun.
Ay, kung normal na kon ba? Kuan ba? Mamaze ka.
Lagi. Then, you can try the strawberry one for another flavor later.
Malinaw siya kuan eh. Mga bata eh.
Actually, this is for kids. Pero ma-amaze ako. My father ate at I think 4 already of this one. Nasarapan siya. And for him na kumain ng chocolate kumain ng maraming chocolate, alam mong masarap. Dahil hindi naman siya into chocolate. Kaya, yon. I know it's masarap. So, I recommend if you want to go to Korea, you must buy this one. Doon sa market na nakikita nyo sa video ko sa Korean vlog dahil doon lang yung lesser yung price than the other. So, this one, it's funny kasi sa Myeongdong, it's mahal, pero sa ibang shop, lesser siya, so bumili yung iba. Then, when we go to GS25, yung sabi kong Go Surf 25 na shop, na parang convenience store, pero mas lesser pala yung price niya. And then, when you go to 7-Eleven, iba din yung price. So, kapag nakakita ka talaga ng ganito, huwag mo nang tingnan sa ibang store kung nakabili ka na dahil sana doon na lang akong bumili or sana binili ko na lang yun. Or yung iba, ay may ganit, dali ko ni palit. Kaya ang iba, something like that. So,
Talingaw.
okay, so ganun. So ito, may price na 4.5, may price na 7, may price na 6.5, may price na 5.4, pero usually 5.4 yung price niya. And yung nabili ko is 5.4. And yung iba nakabili sila ng 4.5. So yeah, so I never tried this one. Doon na-try na ng ibang friends ko. Ito pala, Milka. Nandito yung isang Milka. Na-try na ng ibang friends ko and sabi nila masarap. So I will try this one and my brother.
Madungo ba kanina na ano? Ay, babasa microphone ba?
Madungog.
Ha?
Madungog. Sige daw, while I'm opening this one. Ulog ko kadungog.
Ngayon.
This is what it looks like inside. So it's this one. I don't know what it's called. I think, wala kasi, it's Korean kasi. But sabi nila, cookie marshmallow. But ito. Then this is what it looks like. So I will taste this one. Parang mali na gabi ako nag-vlog dahil
Di ito yung
too much chocolate. But sige na lang.
Dahil ko.
So ito yung, this is what it looks like. And it's soft. Parang marshmallow siya then biscuit inside. So let's
Burger.
try. Parang burger nga. Pero sige.
Marshmallow.
I thought yung marshmallow is each side. Then yung biscuit is in the middle. Pero no, yung biscuit niya, I know, yung marshmallow niya is in the middle. Then, parang cake siya na fudgy cake siya yung outer niya.
Hindi siya biskuit.
No, hindi na biscuit. Ang sarap. Ang sarap niya! Recommend this one. Eat this one.
Okay.
Parang mali na yung kuya ko yung pinapakain ko ng food or pinapa-review dahil parang masarap sa kanya naman lahat. Ang sarap niya. Hindi naman siya masyado matamis.
Doktora.
No, hindi siya masyado matamis.
Kalas ka niya.
Yeah. And nakakabusog. Ayun. Isa na namang pagkain na sana bumili ako ng marami. Pero hindi naman ako makabili ng marami dahil wala na akong space na luggage. Anyways, there's something worth to share with my family, especially my mga pamangkin. Yan, wala talaga ako nabili para sa akin, but to be someone or first family na nakapunta internationally at the age of 23 before my birthday is a very nice or it's a privilege to experience those things. But I hope someday I can bring my family outside the country. So next one, ito guys, this is a famous coffee in the Korea. It is a Maxim coffee, which is a slimming coffee daw. Then nakita niyo pouch siya dahil ang mahal pala niya. Ang mahal ng box. Kaya ito yung nakita ko na much cheaper and I wanted to try. May free na ganito sa first hotel na meron kami. Hindi ko siya nagamit or hindi ako nainom. Hindi ko din siya nakuha. Sana kinuha ko yun. Sayang naman. Pero yes, ito. And I wanted to try this one. Maybe itatry ko siya sa next vlog ko, which is what I eat or trying food from South Korea. Yan. So, next is this side. Na-fix ko na to para hindi naman siya hollow tingnan sa vlog. So, yes, this one. Of course, when you go to South Korea, it's cheaper there. Pero, kapag nabili mo siya in a place na mahal siya, parang nasa-same lang siya ng price. And, itong flavor na to is, hinahanap namin siya from different store dahil every store is isa-isa na lang yung available. Kaya, si Mom Princess nakabili sa ganitong store, si Sir Mark nakabili dito, kaya yung nakita ko yung isa, binili ko na lang talaga siya, and it's the last one as well. So, yeah, it's the creamy, or no, it's a carbonara samyang or buldak carbonara, and this is one of the food na in-enjoy namin kainin lately ng family ko dahil parating nabibring yung boyfriend ng ate ko. So, yun, at least ngayon makakain kami kahit wala yung boyfriend niya. So, here's kaya lang,
Patro mo?
4 lang siya. Unlike sa iba. Pero, hindi naman siya nakakainayang na isa lang yung binili dahil nakakabili naman tayo dito. Unlike dun sa ibang food na hindi talaga mabili dito.
Sabong
Also, what I have learned from Korea, there are products there na bawal siya dalhin from Korea to different places. Doon lang talaga siya. Kaya din, masarap siya pero mahal. Or, may mga product like ginseng na dapat doon lang para hindi siya ma-imitate ng iba. And para yung walang ma-scam na sa product na yun. So, yeah. So, yun. Ito yung flavor na mahirap hanapin sa Korea dahil ang daming bumibili. Ito yung mga maraming bilhin. And some of the people na pumupunta doon is nag-hoard sila para ibenta here. Kaya, mas maganda talaga kung doon bilhin. But, yun nga lang, aside sa wala ng space, wala na din yung product nila. Ang dami kasi nabili. Out of stock na. Then the next one is, which is, ito yung inaay ko for my father. As you can see from my previous vlog, we got a chance to tour to Ginseng Museum, which is, we get to see ginseng na 6 years nang piniserve nila para makuha talaga yung benefits niya. And when touring, it's nice na yung nagtutour sa amin is a Filipino. So, she get to explain the benefit of the ginseng and why it is very known sa Korea and what it is very important because Tagalog siyang nagsasalita and mas naiintindihan namin. Unlike sa if Korean kasi yung nagsasalita, aside sa hindi namin maintindihan some of the English word, mahirapan din sila explain into English straightforwardly. Kaya kapag may question, hindi rin na-answer yung ibang question namin. Same with the other stores na tinanungan namin. So, sa Ginseng Museum, Filipino yung nagtutour. So, ang dami kong natutunan na somehow I wish pwede siyang videohan the whole time para you can learn from my vlog, but hindi kasi pwede. So, I respect dahil the government there is very strict, and if you can see from my vlog, makita nyo that the government are working unlike here in the Philippines. So, here's the ginseng product pala. And, guys, I just hope na marami akong pera na dala dahil yung product talaga na pinaka maganda for my father or for my whole family is yung tag 35,000. Hindi won, but 35,000 pesos siya. Na dapat siyang inumin within 2 to 6 months lang. And the benefit can last until 6 years. So, kung may pera lang talaga ako, bibili ako dahil hindi naman siya dapat i-maintain eh. Doon lang in that span of month. And yung benefit niya is very proven and tested, especially yung sila sisters na try na nila and they can see the benefit. And one of the thing is, it's for kanang ginseng products is good for kids dahil nakaka-boost siya daw ng mind ng bata so that faster yung working ng mind nila, plus boost immune system, hindi ka dali masakit. And kapag may kidney ka, fatty liver, and prostate, hindi naman nila sinabing mawawala, but let's say nalilesen yung effects na or yung pagdami ng hindi magandang germs sa katawan natin o yung mga diseases. And I also heard na nakakawala talaga siya ng sakit, especially nakaka-prevent siya ng cancer. Kaya sobrang ganda talaga sa parents sana natin and sa age natin na dito pa yung time lalabas yung mga sakit-sakit and sa mga bata na developing. Kaya sana kung na-afford ko lang yun. But ito lang muna, this is ginseng tea. Na feeling ko yung papa ko lang naman yung iinom, hindi naman into tea yung mama ko, but just hope na iinom siya. But here's the product. And I just hope hindi naman masarap yung tea, but alam kong iinumin ng papa ko. And aside sa kaysa sa iinom siya ng maraming gamot, ito na lang sana yung iinumin niya. So then, aside from tea, I also bought coffee aside sa Maxim. So these two coffee is very famous na. Kapag nasa-search ako ng what I bought in Korea sa mga TikTok, hindi to nawawala. Dahil nga, they recommend it dahil masarap daw. So this is the Kanu coffee. So this is of course matcha. So this is the espresso matcha latte, which is itatry ko rin to and i-add ko lang sa vlog, na pinaplano kong vlog. And then the next one is espresso chocolate latte. So I hope masarap to. Then the last one. So last na, nandito na tayo sa last. Ang dami ko pa na sinasabi, ang tasan ng vlog. So this one is Nakita ko to sa vlog or TikTok mini vlog ng isang influencer, si Kelly Chus, which is Kelly Chus is one of the mukbang influencer na kapag ano yung kinain niya is nagkikrave talaga ako. And I saw this one, nakaka-release lang pala nito based sa sinabi niya na vlog. And yung nakita ko to sa Korean store here near our home, na-try ko yung isa, which is yung isa is 118. And masarap naman siya, nakatulong siya when I'm doing lesson plan. Pero isa lang yung nakain ko na flavor. And this time, I bought the package na nandito na yung lahat ng flavor na gusto ko sanang itry lahat. But na-try ko na yung honey butter almond. I wanted to try other flavors. And it had 14 packs. Then yung flavor is 8. Oh, 7. No, daily day 8. 7 flavors pala. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nakount ko kasi ito. I wanted to try. I'm open pala ito. May ziplock siya. So, okay. Okay, the first flavor is banana almond. Then, the next one is the kimchi almond. Interesting. Roasted corn and almond. Next is, strawberry almond. Speaking of this one, banana almond and strawberry almond. These are the, yung milk, banana milk and strawberry milk. We already tried that one nandun sa TikTok ko and hindi ako nasarapan guys. Sorry pero hindi ko alam. Hindi ko bet yung taste both ng drink pero gusto ni Ma'am Gia yung strawberry. Yon. Bet hindi din ako nakabili ng pack. May pouch kasi noon, hindi ko siya nakita. Sana matry ng family ko pero hindi ko siya nakita. Ito yung na-try ko which is the honey butter almond. Masarap to. Masarap siya guys. And then this one is the I like this one. I'm excited for this one. This is the hot and spicy almond. Then the last flavor is the wasabi almond. Okay, let's try the kimchi and the hot and spicy one. Maybe I just try na lang in a different vlog. Okay, let's end this vlog with trying these two flavors that got my attention. Hot and spicy. This is what it looks like. Lagi siyang taste ng noodles.
Ito po no?
When I eat it, it's more siyang beef noodles. May spice lang. And then, yung almond. Yung nutty flavor niya. Maanghang siya, but as a person na mahilig sa maanghang, hindi siya ganun kaanghang. Hindi siya maanghang for me. Mini mahang na siya sa iba. Ito is the kimchi almond. It don't taste like kimchi, it tastes like chocolate. May hint of sourness siya na para siyang kimchi, pero much more on malitaste mo yung ibang spices na iba, pero masarap siya. Masarap siya. I like this one. Another one. By the way, nakabili pala ako ng t-shirt which is I supposedly plan na bilhan lahat. Pero ang mahal. Ang mahal ng t-shirt nila and yung nakita ko is one size lang which is 2XL. Binili ko na lang yung isa, isa lang din yung design na meron sila kaya hindi na ako nakabili. I expected na makabili ako sa ibang store pero hindi ako nakabili kaya yun lang yung nabili ko. Ito. Thank you Father. So ito yung nabili ko. I love Seoul, Korea. Maganda naman siya pero kapag gusto kong hirawin ko lang yung papa. Ang laki kasi ng size. And kahit malaki ako, gusto ko naman yung XL lang, no? Or yung large. Kaya yun. So, that's it for my vlog. I hope you enjoy watching my vlog. Sana natakam kayo. And sana someday, that your manifestation na sana makapunta kayo sa Korea is matutupad nyo. Like me, I only manifested this one. I always say one day I'll be in Korea until it turns to day 1 in Korea. So, just keep on praying, just keep on manifesting all your dreams because someday it will come true with hard work and perseverance. Yun, I hope na natatry nyo to. Na someday, sana kayo naman yung bibili ng mga food na ito and kayo na rin yung magtatry. So that's it for my vlog. Thank you for watching. Keep safe everyone and be healthy and be happy always. Bye!